And to ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Hi everyone, this is Salsa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. As you can see, I came from there. You have obviously a long frontage for this house. Now, this house is located in a secured subdivision here in the Uma, Balacat. We are very close to NLEX and we are very close to a grocery, which is SNR. We have a modern house here. Let's check more upon entering the house. This is brand new and a 2-story, and you will love what's inside. So, pagpasok natin ng pedestrian gate, over here sa left ko is you have a walkway going to your service area, and I love it na spacious. Pwede pang griller, pwede din, syempre pag may helper kayo, pwedeng dito sila magsampay. And since nandito na tayo, filtered yung water natin. Everything is landscape. From your frontage hanggang dito, naka-landscape. Over here, meron pa mga naka-plant box. And pagpasok naman, sarap ko lang. Kasi may dalawang access yung high ceiling carport natin. So this is 2 carport. Ang gate natin is manual. And over here, another feature for this house kasi meron ko yung swimming pool na ma-enjoy kapag mainit yung panahon or pag may mga bata kayo at bisita. Diba? At least may pool kayo dyan. Then over here naman, since may pool tayo or imagine meron kayong event dito, pwede mag-wash dito. Ayan. And then over here, syempre, meron tayong outdoor toilet and bath. Sa mga naliligo, ay sa mga nagsuswimming na rin. Sige, Mr. K. And another door para sa helpers natin. And then for helpers room, ito na rin yung gagamitin niyang toilet and bath. And we have another door dito. Ito naman is kumbaga, ito na yung pinaka-outdoor kitchen. Ay, ito kasi sa loob to. Well, pakita ko ulit sa inyo mamaya. This is your pinaka-outdoor kitchen, auxiliary kitchen. So, may access siya dito. And may access din siya doon sa indoor lanay nyo. And another access going to your main house, dito siya sa side naman. Balik naman tayo dito sa carport nyo so we can enter your main door. Okay, look at your main door. We have solid wood and a very gorgeous handrail. And also, naka-smart digital lock yung door natin. Sige, inside. Welcome to your dream home. Ang ganda ng door, ang laki. It's medyo mabigat, so alam yung solid wood talaga. So, pagpasok natin ng main door, makikita nyo na how open yung living room and from your dining area. So, ganun siya ka-open. It's very bright. Ang ganda ng mga chandelier. I'll start on this side. You have a wall here na may mga fluted panels and buong panel board ng PVC. Well, this side, pwede maglagay ng keys. Diba yung usually ganun nilalagay or yung mga bags dito agad nila pinapatong. Or pwede mag-add ng television for the whole ground floor. Over here naman, a very welcoming large sofa set. Ayan. So, parang hotel type. So, talagang pagpasok ng mga bisita nyo, may entertain nyo sila agad kasi agad andyan yung living room natin. Over here is your 8-seater beautiful wood, made of wood na dining table. Ang ganda niya. High ceiling. Tapos high ceiling din pala yung bahay if I haven't mentioned kanina. So this is what you get if you were able to acquire this house. This house comes furnished. So mga basic furnitures kasama na including this side, yung mga accent na yan. And another thing, we have a sliding door dito. Tapos meron kayong lanay na where you could extend your dining experience. That's parang alfresco style dito. And also, a beautiful plant box over here. And another one is, ito yung na-mention ko kanina, hindi ko napasok from outdoor. Meron tayong dirty kitchen, di ba? Usually naman, meron tayong dirty kitchen. Ito na yon, a spacious dirty kitchen from that area going here. So, ito yung door kanina na hindi ko napasok. That's your helper room and then yung outdoor toilet and bath. These are included as well. May mga bago ka ditong burner, may range hood na rin. And I love it na spacious yung preparation area. And ang galing. Yung ibang naging client ko, gusto nila yung dirty kitchen na may screen kasi nga yung kapag nagluluto ka ng specialty fish or mga seafood, di ba may mga, syempre, langaw. Napakita ko na yung dirty kitchen nyo, syempre meron tayong formal kitchen naman. A complete formal kitchen with a marble countertop. Over here, may basic appliances na tayong kasama. You have microwave, induction cooker with a range hood as well. And I love the overhead cabinets. Ang elegant. Makikita nyo yung mga display nyo ng plates, glass, or wine glass. Preparation area. And ito, connected sa dirty kitchen nyo. Ayan. Over here is your kitchen sink with large sink na rin. Both side, meron pa rin preparation area. And look, meron pa rin siyang, pwede kayo magsaksak ng kung ano pa mang appliances dyan. And laminated din yung mga cabinets and soft close. And syempre, we have our breakfast nook. Gusto ko yung height ng breakfast nook. Tapos, may stool pa siya. That matches yung chair ng dining table natin. And also, naka-accent ng fluted panels yung pinaka-ilalim niya. And we have 2 doors sa likod ko. Ito is just our access from your swimming pool, yung kaninang auxiliary kitchen dito na hindi ko rin napasok. And meron din pala tayong access dito sa sliding doors na to. Ito yung pinaka-carport nyo. So, marami tayong access or lusutan. And this door naman leads to your pantry. Kung mahilig kayong mag-stock ng groceries, ito yung room for that. Ang laking pantry. Spacious pantry. And another thing, sa formal kitchen natin, we have air condition unit also dito sa dining area natin. Close ko lang to. Ayan. Ganda nito. Look at this. I love it. Ito yung mga gusto ko sa dining area kasi it makes the space bigger. And this is a 4-bedroom. And we have a spacious bedroom 1 for our parents with us kapag lumipat tayo. Also included, queen size na rin, may mga bedside table and naka-ready na yung shelves. If they wanna add yung kung nagsastudy pa, may gumamit ng room na to na nag-aaral pa, that's for him or her. And their ensuite is over here. Pwede din sa guest naman, yung rooms na to. And syempre, what we love sa mga rooms is where we can store our clothes. Mga maraming damit. Hanggang taas na siya. Pakita ko na lang yung taas. Naka-tiptoe na ako. Siguro mga luggages na lang sa taas natin. Yan. Diba? Furnished na talaga yung bahay. Kasi also yung room mo, may sarili na siyang television. And then what else? Syempre, gusto ko yung mga surprises. Yeah, let's check this one. This wall ng fluted panels. Hindi naman syempre nawawala sa ground floor natin ang powder room. So ito yung spacious powder room and also high ceiling. Ang cute ng design niya. Tingnan natin kung saglit. Ayan, iba siya. Tapos may window siya dito na nakikita yung labas. Nakita ko na si Mr. K sa salamin. Diba? Ito, unnoticeable talaga to. Kasi as in, ang linis ng pagkagawa niya. And then over here naman, some homeowners, yung ganito nilalagyan nila ng either mga plants dito. Kasi yung, may ano sila dito may sunlight sila dito. So, nabubuhay naman yung mga plants ng gano'n. And ngayon, dahil magde-December na o magpapasko na, pwede kayo mag-set up dito ng mga bilen, may saksakan, no? So, pwedeng may light sila. Yung gano'n. Another one, meron siyang mini cabinet. Ay, pinakailalim. Malaki siya. Pwede yung vacuum dito. Ganun. Effort. Cute. And I guess we're done. Let's go and check the rest of the bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms left. And that's located sa second floor natin. Gusto ko rin yung paakyat ng staircase nyo. Kitang-kita ko yung buong ground floor. Parang double height ceiling kasi tong staircase nyo. Right there, ang ganda niyan pag talagang buong-buo yung sunlight. Nasa around 8 a.m. pa lang din kasi ngayon. And it's and papasko. Kaya medyo gloomy yung weather. Once we reach our second floor landing, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. And add ko na lang, sa mga common areas natin, meron ng included na CCTVs. Last 3 doors and last 3 bedrooms, we're gonna check. A spacious second bedroom. Ang laki. Could be your junior master suite na ang spacious niya. That side could be your vanity area na or study table kung sinong gagamit ng room na to. Ganda ng bed. For this one, wala na siyang TV na included pero may mga nakaabang na agad. And over here, yung corner na to, buong corner yung cabinet naman niya. And also lahat ng... Ay, ang ganda ng ano nito. Ganda ng main light ng toilet and bath na to. May enclosure din yung shower. Ang ganda nun. Another one is here. We have our living area na or receiving area sa baba. But this one for a private conversation, pwedeng dito kayo mag-uusap o mag-gather ng family members nyo. So that's it. And you have this 65-inch television na included. And then meron pa siyang soundbar, diba? Siguro pwede pa nga mag-video ko dito eh. And then ilan din yung chandelier na nakita ko. Pang 4 na to. We have 2 sa baba, living room, dining, staircase, and ito sa family area. Dito, I love this. I love this kind of bar. Kasi pag ito ng family area, dito may mga snack na, coffee machine, di ba? And we have our third bedroom. Different style naman yung bedroom na to. So, ito, double size for the bed. And then over here, ay, ito, may TV na. Yung second bedroom yung wala. And then, ibang style din yung cabinet niya. Kasi sa bandang taas niya, naka-glass. Yan. Yan. Makikita niya agad yung mga bags na nilagay niya o yung mga boxes ng shoes niya dyan. Ganda ng handle. And for your bedroom number 3, syempre meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, lahat may ensuite. So, walang magiging problem. No sharing ng toilet and bath. That is how convenient yung bahay na to. How they build this. For your primary bedroom, we have smart lock. Kayo na magse-set up nito kapag binili niyo. Yan. A spacious primary bedroom. Gaganda ng table and bedside. Pareha sila. So you have syempre king size, bed included. Then over here yung entertainment wall niya. Ang ganda ng ceiling, ang fresh. Yung parang pagkagising mo, ang bright lang ng pakiramdam mo. Ganun siya. Because of the light wood na color siguro ng ceiling natin. And na-notice ko kanina, habang nandun ako, ito siguro, you can display here yung mga collections ng bag ni wife or ng partner nyo. Yung mga bag nyo dyan located. Or perfume. Who doesn't love perfumes? Over here is yung walk-in closet na natin that can be separated through this sliding doors. Over here, vanity. Lots of shelves where you can store talaga yung mga damit nyo. Drawers, yung mga mini undergarments, diba? Over here, shelves. And let's check your toilet and bath. Over here naman. His and her sink, toilet over here, and your shower area. A spacious shower area. Then alam nyo ba yung magaganda yung flat lang? Gusto ko yung mga flat lang na ganito kasi safe siya. Well, ito, elevated syempre kasi this is your closet. Pero I love it na kapag sa shower area, flat. Alright, how is it? So for your primary bedroom, we have balcony. Also, maa-access siya from your family area. So this is a shared balcony. Dito na lang tayo. And let's do your quick recap over here. Para I can also show you kung saan located yung property. Ayan. The property is located at the main road of the subdivision. Kaya as you can see, you can park sa tapat kapag kulang yung 2 vehicle carport natin. And also, L-shape yung balcony natin. Ang ganda ng tiles sa outdoor. Right? For the quick recap, this house is brand new and this is located here in the Mabalacat. We are very close to NLEX. Very accessible if you want to go to Manila or Subic Park. The house sits at 252 square meters for the lot area and you have 350 square meters for your floor area. That's 4 bedroom, 4 toilet and bath, 2 carport. You have your own swimming pool. The house comes furnished and also you have 1 maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Hasayo Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.